Hello, my dear students.
Hi.
Are you ready to do the activity?
Yes, please.
Yes. Today we are going to talk about greetings.
Yes.
Okay? Yes, Mehak. What do you say when you meet someone?
When I meet someone, I say Assalamu alaikum.
Very good. What do you say when you meet someone in the morning?
When I meet someone in the morning, I say good morning.
Very good. Afifa. What do you say when you meet someone in the afternoon?
I meet someone in the afternoon, I say good afternoon.
Very good. Yes. What do you say when you meet someone in the evening?
When I meet someone
In the evening.
in the evening, I say good evening.
Very good. What do you say when you go to bed?